Morning Boston Avenue. Today is Tuesday, January 31st, 2012.
My name is Megan, and this is Julia and Kamar.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Lunch for today will be hot ham and grilled and cheese sandwiches, green beans, mandarin oranges, and whole wheat chips.
Today's weather will be partly cloudy with a high of 76 degrees. It will warm up just a little tomorrow with a high of 78 degrees. Chance of rain is at 10% both days.
Now we go to Mr. McNabb for last week's Star Students.
Thanks. And the Star Students of last week are, in Miss Wood's class, Lexi Pappas. In Miss Johnson's class, Amelia Brown. Miss Torres's class, Chelsea Reeves. Miss Brown's class, Andrea Toledo. Miss Smith's class, Adeline Franz. Miss Stillman's class, Brianna Carter. Mr. Hobson's class, Kara Dummett. Miss Burhan's class, Ryland Lindenberger. Miss Williams' class, Crystal Willis. Miss Nelson's class, Nathan Kitzmiller. Mr. Lamb's class, Daniel Anderson. Miss Natanolov's class, Demetria Presley. Miss Towery's class, Eric Moore. Mr. Sharp's class, Joey Gingras. Miss Connell's class, Ashton Langdale. And in Miss Hillman's class, Kane Headley. Congratulations to last week's Star Students.
Thank you, Mr. McNabb. From all of us here on the Morning Crew.
Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.